Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm Lacquer Lover, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how I painted my V featuring Peakboy Snowflower inspired nail art design. I did this for his 26th birthday, so I'm really excited to show you guys how I did it. So I'm painting all of my nails a dusty periwinkle shade, and prior to this step I also applied base coat. I used my favorite unpeel off base coat, which is always linked in the description box. And then I added a thin layer of this light periwinkle shimmer polish. So now I'm going to be taking white polish to mark the boundary of the snow, and I started about halfway up the nail. I think it's easiest to start from a defined point in the wave, and then you just kind of hold your nails together to make sure they're connected. And then I'm just using the brush from the bottle to paint from that line down to the tip on all 4 fingernails. Now once you have a good base, I'm going to be taking a light blue-gray polish, and I'm going to be painting in most of that white section. The white is just there to provide a good base so that you don't have to add as much of the colored polish. I just used the cover art as my reference photo and tried to copy that onto my nails. Now on the middle fingernail, I'm going to start outlining the shape of the little boy in the cover art. So I will be using white on white, and that may seem pointless, but the whole point is to have the basic structure of the boy so that we know how to fill in the colors. So as you can see, I know where his shirt is, so that's why I'm coloring it yellow. And then at the top, of course, I'm using a skin tone shade, and at the bottom, of course, blue for the pants. And on the top, I just didn't use white because I knew that the red was opaque enough, and I just went in and filled in that umbrella shape. And then I actually used black acrylic paint this time to paint the outline because I knew that black polish could mess it up very easily. And then I just went in to add the face and a little scribble of hair. And I know that V's birthday has been over for some time, but of course I wanted to thank him for his existence and for blessing us with all those amazing moments every year. And all that I wish for him for 2021 is just lots of luck, lots of happiness, and good health for him and all the people that he cares about. So now I'm just going to be adding the little flower, and then I'm taking white polish to add little specks of snow. And on the thumb, I'm just using white polish to write snow flower. So I actually started this one a little too much to the right, and if I could redo it, I would definitely have started closer to the cuticle, but it kind of turned out all right in the end. And yeah, I feel like for lettering, you just need a steady hand. There really aren't any tips or tricks, you just need a lot of practice. And then I just took a small amount of polish and dotted it around the snow flower. Now all you have to do is apply a generous layer of top coat and you're done. So this is my finished V featuring Peakboy Snowflower inspired nail art design. I really enjoyed painting this for our good boy's birthday, and yeah, I hope you guys had a wonderful 2020, and I hope we'll have an even better 2021, and I'll see you when we get there.